You ready for this one? Hey, Broom on the beat, it's gonna be pretty neat. On a hot summer day, I go to the pool and your mom is gay. As I am, as I can, as I ran away from Japan. I spit bars with a tone, that's why I work at a construction zone.
Hey, Brady Xanfielf, and don't mess with thoughts. I gave her the stiff arm and the stiff cock. I don't accept slop from big thoughts, or give them the cock at all. All I do is jewel, cause I am cool. On a hot summer day, I go to the pool. After a hard day, after giving the bone, I go home to the construction zone.
Chicharron smells like ass, I wanna go, so I hit the gas. I fuck on your bitch, she smell like fish, but when I go in, I make a swish. Construction zone, I fuck your bitch till she moan. I call up your phone, and I tell you to meet me at the construction zone.
Construction zone, I eat her ass with no rubber. Her stomach was full of flubber. AJ's house is in progress, a lot of ass, a lot of bone. It's basically a construction zone. I eat glass and smoke gas. Astral world, more like gas and girls. I eat chicharron in the construction zone. Oh, it's the construction zone. Yo, what up? Big head.
Hey, yo, meet us at the construction zone if you wanna catch these bones.
Yeah, the bones and the hose and all the big sloppy top thoughts. Yeah, come catch us at the construction zone.